Good morning, YouTube. Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. It's 7:30 a.m. in the morning, and I am super excited for today. We're going to do two things in today's vlog. First up, I am going to share with you one of the most drool-worthy, crazy, kick-ass laptops I've ever had my hands on. We will be checking it out. It's called the ASUS Zenbook Duo. It is such an innovative and kick-ass laptop. Apart from that, I am also going to unbox a special package that came all the way from Bacolod. So this is a pair of shoes that I've had my eye on for a while now, but I just couldn't find it anywhere in Manila. So fortunately, I have somebody who has the same size of feet as I am, who has the shoes, who decided to sell it to me. So that's our episode for today. I hope you guys will enjoy. Keep on watching. Let's go. Now, before we get to the laptop and the unboxing, I am actually going to go down to our home gym. It's a Thursday, which means it's a workout day for me and the wife. By the way, this is our cat, Tiffy. Tiffy, say hi to the vlog. Tiffy is actually one of our first cats ever. So here she is. Really sweet cat, really nice cat. So guys, just finished working out. I didn't bother showing you anymore. It's messy. It's not beautiful to see. Now at this point, akit na tayo, and then we'll do, maligo muna ako, and then we'll do the feature of the laptop maybe around lunchtime. So, tara. Slim fried or auto cook, mahi-mahi. So guys, taste test lang tayo. So, grilled or air fried, smart fried, whatever you call it, mahi-mahi. Panalo! As promised, I will be sharing with you and doing like a quick overview of the very best PC-based laptop that I have tried so far. It's just been such a joy to use because of how innovative it is. This is actually the ASUS Zenbook Duo 14, the latest model. And man, oh man, this is a beast of a laptop. So if you take a look at the exterior, you have that concentric circle, that very premium look, very elegant, very sleek, very classy, very lightweight, full complement of IOs, including the Thunderbolt 4.0. However, the best thing about this laptop, take a look at that, it has two screens. One up here, and then one down here. Let's take a closer look. The biggest innovation about this particular device is the ScreenPad Plus, which you can see at the top of the keyboard over here. Now, I use this particular part four ways. Number one, as it is set up right now, it's a fantastic media console. So when you are working, when I am doing emails, or when I'm doing presentations here at the top, I can actually have Spotify over here, so I can control the music. I can have YouTube over here, or I can have like a video playing over here. I can also use it for notes. So example, I can have like a video call here at the top, and then I can have my Microsoft Word or OneNote here at the bottom, where I can type away all of the notes and the important things that I'm picking up from the call. I can also use it as a tool section, so I can drag down the tools for editing videos or photos, or I can also use it as a pad for signing documents, because this laptop actually comes with a stylus. Now, I just have to credit the design, because if you take a look at it, so here's a side view look. The ScreenPad Plus actually has a hinge which pushes it upwards, as you guys can see over there. So you know, kita nyo, tumataas siya. So because of that angle, because it moves upwards, it's actually easier to see when you are using the device. It's not just flat. Kaya siya mas madaling makita, kaya siya mas madaling magamit, because of that hinge design that ASUS put in for this particular laptop, which I think is just brilliant. By the way, napakadaling gamitin ng ScreenPad na to, no? Para baka lang nahirapan kayo, or baka lang you're confused. All you have to do is to drag and drop whatever it is that you want to put up. So for example, this is the screen of my Spotify. I can just put it back up there in the main screen, or I can put it down here. You also have like a quick control over here, which can launch apps for the ScreenPad Plus. But ako, I usually just drag and drop because I have preferences. I have like a, you know, I am very intentional with what I put here. So usually, ako na yung naglalagay. Now, in terms of ergonomics and overall use, sobrang okay yung keyboard. So there, I have no problem working with this like smaller, more compact version of the keyboard. The keys are very tactile, very responsive. Here on the touchpad though, it's a bit small. So yun yung I think nawala because they put the screen here at the top. Now you can solve this by getting used to it and training yourself to use like a smaller trackpad over here, or you can just, you know, get a really nice mouse like this one which I use, which is the Logitech MS Master 3, which is the best mouse in the market in my opinion. Now lastly, one more thing I love about this laptop is the display, the main display over here at the top, because the Nano Edge display, which gives you 93% screen to body ratio, is perfect for watching movies, for watching videos, if you want to do YouTube, if you want to do Netflix, if you want to do HBO Go and watch like Justice League Snyder Cut. It just works extremely well. Now, how is the laptop for gaming? To be honest, I'm not a big PC gamer, but I would think that if you want a gaming laptop, go get a gaming laptop. This isn't meant for gaming. It is a productivity tool. It is a laptop for creators, editors, and people who just want a really nice, unique, innovative, different laptop that can take their productivity to like the next level. So that I think is who this laptop is for. It's for people who I think are like, I don't know, entrepreneurial or creative trailblazers, people who are not afraid to try new things, people who want to try new innovations and want to change things up. If that's you, if that's the type of person or entrepreneur or executive or corporate guy you are, then you really might want to take a closer look at the ASUS Zenbook Duo 14. Guys, if you want one, I will link down below to the details as well as a more technical review of our good friends over at Unbox PH. If you want more in-depth stuff on the processor and all the nuances, check their video out. Ba-bam! Okay, and as promised, I will be unboxing, let me just fix the framing, one more sneaker before we end the vlog. So every time I mention that I have flat and wide feet, a lot of you guys keep on commenting that I should check out Hoka, or I don't know how to pronounce it, shoes. And I ended up finally getting one. So this is the Hoka 1-1 or One. I don't know, apologies if I'm butchering the pronunciation. This is called the mTOR Ultra Low WPJP. So this is in size 12. And it comes in this blue box. Now this is what the sneaker looks like. And yes, it is a massive, chunky, but super comfortable, super stable shoe. It looks heavy, but it is super lightweight. It looks like kind of warm because of the layers, but it's actually very cool. It's a running shoe built for people who have wide and flat feet, and it gives amazing stability for people like me who overpronate. So this one is a fantastic sneaker. I've only been wearing it for like 2 days, but I already have fallen in love with it and with the brand. So this will not be my last Hoka shoe. So I love the Vibram midsole and outsole. I love the upper. I love the texture. It's not the most fashionable sneaker out there, but hey, we're always at home anyway. And when it comes to overall comfort, I really feel this is a fantastic sneaker. Shout out to Justin, one of our bros over at I think Bacolod or Cagayan. Basta brother, maraming salamat. I appreciate you for the hookup on this pair. And with that said, that actually wraps up this very quick vlog for the day. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please do check out my watch vlog. I have a bunch of new reviews and new videos on that channel, and I'm constantly updating it as well. Also, if you guys don't know, I'm on TikTok. Please do check out my TikTok channel. In fact, I've been uploading a ton of content there. It's a super fun platform, and I'd love to see you guys there. This is Carlo signing out. Peace, God bless. What's up? Boom.